Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a screw for your oven. The reason why you'd have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we need to go to the back of our oven, so we're going to turn it around. So right here on the back of our stove, right on this side here, we've got a bunch of screws that hold this panel onto the back here. Now we've got one missing on the bottom. It's not too bad, it's not too loose, but I'm going to take a couple more out and you'll see what happens. If we have a couple of missing screws on this side. Eventually that panel can kick out like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to put all the screws back into place. And you can see even with just that one extra screw missing, it's still pretty loose there. So now grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we're going to be using our 1/4" nut driver and just securing that screw into place. And now we can turn our stove back around, plug it in, and your repair is complete. The book just fell on my head. I've only got myself to blame. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.